A business you can run without leaving your primary job. In 2026, thousands of working professionals, distributors, transporters, and small business owners are searching for a side business that is low risk, high demand, easy to operate, scalable, time flexible, requires no heavy investment, offers monthly recurring income. The corrugated box dealership is one of the rare opportunities that meets all these requirements. With ASPV Industries Pvt, professionals can start a dealership without quitting their job and still build a strong B2B client base in their city. Why packaging dealership is an ideal side business? 1. Requires very little time. You don't need daily operations. You only need to take orders, coordinate deliveries, maintain customer relationships. Most dealers manage operations in 1 2 hours a day, making it ideal for working professionals. 2. No manufacturing or labor. Needed, you don't need machinery, labor, production space, inventory, setup, quality checks. ASPV manufactures and dispatches everything. You simply handle local clients. 3. High demand in every city. Every industrial area, warehouse, and market needs packaging daily. Profitable sectors include footwear, garments, electronics, FMCG, hardware, kitchenware, e commerce sellers, wholesalers, demand guaranteed. 4. Recurring monthly clients. Once a business starts buying boxes from you, it continues every week or month. This means stable income, predictable cash flow, long term relationships. Very few side businesses offer this consistency. 5. Very low initial investment. You do not need a shop, a warehouse, a factory, a big team. Many successful dealers start from home office, mobile number, basic GST setup. Easy to begin, easy to scale. Why working professionals perform well as ASPV dealers? 1. They understand corporate communication. Professionals communicate better with purchase teams, factory managers, warehouse supervisors. This increases trust and conversions. 2. Better understanding of documentation. From GST to invoices to quotation formats, professionals handle paperwork smoothly. 3. Stronger networking skills. Many already have industry contacts, supplier connections, corporate relationships. These convert quickly into packaging clients. 4. Time flexibility packaging. Dealership does not interrupt job hours, business hours, travel schedules. Everything can be managed through calls and coordination. Why ASPV is the best manufacturing partner for side business dealers? 1. Machine made high strength boxes. Clients instantly notice better strength, cleaner, finishing moisture free sheets. This makes the dealer look professional and reliable. 2. Pan India supply. Wherever the dealer is located, ASPV ensures fast and consistent delivery. 3. Two color flexo printing side business dealers can offer premium printed boxes, giving them a competitive edge over local suppliers. 4. Copper pin stitching strong, rust free stitching that major industries prefer. 5. Dedicated dealer support. ASPV provides order planning support, guidance on industries, printing assistance, custom size production, logistics alignment. Even beginners become confident dealers quickly. Monthly earning potential for part time dealers. A part time ASPV dealer can earn between R35,000, R1,000 per month, depending on number of clients, order frequency, box types supplied, industrial area demand. This income grows automatically as you add more clients. Conclusion: a perfect side business with zero risk and high growth. If you're a working professional, trader, or small business owner looking for extra income, recurring monthly earnings, simple operations, high demand products, long term business stability, then ASPV's corrugated box dealership is the perfect business to start today. You don't need experience, you don't need a factory, You only need the right manufacturer, and ASPV is that partner.